story of forest animals.
Also a story for all of us.
Part 24.
Piggy, I know you use your sharp fangs and a strong body. Do you remember you can also frequently rub your body against the trees? That can make your skin even tougher. Then your enemies are not easy to harm you.
Got it.
Zip, your black and white stripes can save you. Especially under the sunlight and moonlight, black and white stripes can confuse the vision of predators, making them difficult to launch attacks. Furthermore, your stripes can keep you away from the flies, who spread diseases. Have you found yourself not so easy to get sick?
Wow! I'm so amazing!
Miss Giraffe,
Here I am, Our Majesty.
nobody can compete with your body height and your strengths if you choose to exercise them.
Oh no. What does Miss Giraffe want to say? To be continued in part 25.